Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this lecture we are going to check out this amazing Flask based maths problem solving application. What all things can be done with this application, that is what will be demonstrated to you in this tutorial. And also we will be going through the Flask Python code that is used in the backend for creating this amazing application. Let's dive into the tutorial without wasting any more time and check out the functionality of this application. So basically, if you have images like this, okay, and you want to solve this problem, so you can directly upload this image in this application, and this application will take care of the solution. It will extract the text from the image, it will understand the diagram present in the image, and then it will give you the answer. Okay, let me just show it to you first, and after that we will be checking out the code. So there are a couple of problems which I have created the image for over here. Okay, let's take this first one, extract and solve. So the moment you click it, this is what you get, right? And then comes your solution. So it takes a little bit of time for the backend to prepare the solution of this problem. So this is how the solution comes, right? Recognized triangle math puzzle. What number will replace the question mark? Okay, so this is the complete solution to the problem. Fine. And then let's check out the second image, which is this. So here we have to find out how many triangles are there in this image. So let's extract and solve. Okay, so it's right now solving the problem. Okay, it has extracted the text. Now it has solved the problem. As you can see, all the steps are also there, and finally we got this as a answer. There are 35 triangles that can be formed with 7 points. Okay, let's check out question number 4. Okay, what is this question number 4? Let me just show it to you first before solving it. What is the area of the triangle? So there is 6 feet height triangle, and there is 15 feet of base. Right, now let's extract and solve and check out the answer. Based on the information provided, I'm assuming this is a right triangle. Okay, and this is the area of the triangle. Right, let's check out the question 5. And what is this, by the way? Let me open it up. Okay, so it is again find the area of the triangle, and let me just extract and solve it. Okay. Fine, so this is the area of the triangle. Right, now comes the question number 6, which is this. What is the area of the square present inside this triangle? So if you see here in the diagram, the sides of the square are not given. Right, so how will it solve, and what exactly it will reply with if we pass this type of image to the backend? Let's check it out. It appears some information might be missing from your question. Okay, so let me go back and let me see what is there in question 7. So here we have some more information. So question 6 and question 7 are almost similar, but here we are giving some more information through this diagram to the backend. Let's upload question number 7 now and see what are we going to get for question number 7. Okay, so the information provided in the question seems incomplete. This also seems incomplete. Maybe it wants some more information, but no problem. Now it's time for me to show you the backend code. Okay, Now, so what we have to do is we have to come here, and as I told you earlier, it's a Flask application, right? So there is one thing which I'm using, which is OpenAI key on the top. Fine. And this is the index.html file, HTML page, which is this one. And I'll tell you something amazing about this page. It is mobile responsive. So you can use it as a mobile application also. You just have to open it on your browser, or you can launch it on App Store through React Native Web, and then you can use it as a mobile application as well. Okay. Then comes the solve route. So what happens is when the user click on this extract and solve, this is what gets triggered. So basically we are extracting the text first. Okay, problem text, right? So this is the OCR.js which gets triggered when the OCR button is clicked. Now what is this OCR button? So here, if you see in this index.html, we have extract and solve, which is this button, right? So when the user clicks this button, OCR button, this JavaScript gets triggered. So whatever image the user uploads here, this OCR first extract the data of that image, right? And then it passes the data to this solve route, which is nothing but this. Okay, here we are capturing the text. We have defined a prompt which says solve this math problem step by step and explain problem text, right? And we are simply passing it to GPT-4 model of ChatGPT. And finally, the solution that we are getting in the form of response from ChatGPT, that is something which we are showing on the front end. Okay, so this is a complete flow of this application. It's a very simple application. So if you are trying to understand ChatGPT, and if you're familiar with Flask, you can definitely take this app into consideration. You can learn how ChatGPT works through this application. Now, if you want to enhance it based on your requirements, so you can put these code in ChatGPT, and then you can refine it, right? You can enhance it based on your requirements. That is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.